Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the rest of the month of March 2026. It's a general reading, please keep that in mind. And I'm not a health counselor, financial advisor, or career counselor at all, none of them. Just reading simple cards. If it resonates, you can take the guidance and the messages. If it doesn't, just leave it. But whatever you are going to do, this is your responsibility. Whatever you are going to do after the readings, okay? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start, Pisces. For your health, we have the Five of Swords. I'm sorry, mosquito bite. Shit. Five of Swords. It's like you guys are going to take stress about something that might have happened a long time ago, or maybe some kind of issue resurfacing is going to stress you a little bit. For some of you, it's just related to mental stress level, right? Something is stressing you a lot, and it's going to create a lot of uh, anxious thoughts and negative thoughts and negativity around you. If this is something that is a recurring issue that keeps on coming back again and again and again, instead of taking it lightly, try to connect with a health advisor or medical practitioner. Try to connect with the doctor. They are going to help you out, figure it out very like properly. So this is a minor arcana card. This might not be right now a very big thing, but if not taken care of, it can convert into something really meaningful, especially if it is related to stress level, or something, maybe surgery or something that happened like a while ago, but it is creating some kind of issues. Take care of yourself. Guidance is Ace of Pentacles. You might be ready to start a brand new chapter when it comes to your health. You might be ready to start a new health regime, or something, maybe yoga, pilates, anything that you are trying to start here or restart here. Make sure your health is like ready. Your body, your mind, your heart is ready for that. For some of you, if you have some kind of insurance claims or something that you guys have to make, you should do it right now. Don't delay it anymore further, right? And make sure all the documentations and everything is right. You're not doing anything wrong, or you're not hiding something, or you're not doing something legally wrong, because it can actually set like give you some kind of troubles. So make sure you are doing the right thing here. When it if you are doing job or working for others, we have the Seven of Pentacles. You guys will be taking a step back and waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of good news or good results to come in a particular situation. Maybe you guys are working from a very long time, but you're not getting the rewards of your hard work. You're not getting the salary hike you deserve or the promotion you deserve. So you might be just waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of good results or rewards. Might be some like your company is putting you on hold or something. Ace of Swords here as a guidance represents stick to the reality and the truth of the situation. If you know, you know, right? Instead of living in any kind of illusion or delusion, instead of living in this fairy tale or la la land kind of world regarding this, whatever you are waiting for and hoping for, try to stick to the reality and the truth of the situation. And once you are going to be real and honest with yourself, things are going to be much more peaceful and smoother for you guys, right? You guys will be able to understand what you should be doing next and what you should not be doing next in this context. For those of you who are self-employed or doing business, we have the Ten of Pentacles. It's very good news. It's like a lot of growth and expansion, a lot of like rewards of your hard work, especially if you are into family business or business that is related to family or families in some way. But there's a lot of growth and expansion happening. There's a lot of energy of having good times and spending good times with your family too. Celebrating your success, celebrating your happiness with your family members. Okay. So in your business, there is a lot of growth and expansion is happening. There's a lot of improvement and is happening in this month, especially if you're working too hard. Guidance is the Five of Cups. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over things that you cannot change or control or do anything about. Okay, instead of crying over something that is not here anymore, try to focus on the positives. There are two cups in, like, right behind this person's back, but he is focused on the cups that are down, right? So instead of focusing on the negatives, focus on the positives. Whatever happened, you cannot change it, you cannot do anything about it. Any kind of regret or guilt and or this energy of, oh my god, I lost so much, I did this, I did that, you learned your lesson, just move on, right? For those of you who are looking for other opportunity, whether you are a fresher or you're an experienced person, whether you're looking for a job or business, we have the Ten of Wands. It's like, you guys will be pushing yourself too hard, you guys will be like doing too much, taking too much pressure, and that's why you might not be attracting the right kind of opportunity. Like, you might be planning to give 10 interviews a day, or 10 interviews in a month is also a very like huge thing. But it's like, because of you taking too much pressure or taking too much on your plate, you guys will not be able to focus on the right opportunities, and you might end up losing the good opportunities also. So you guys have to relax. Yeah, the Fool here is, first of all, stop spending your energy on unnecessary things that are not at all productive, not at all good for your career, for you in any way. And don't take unnecessary risks when it comes to your career thing. Don't jump into any kind of offers or any kind of partnerships just because right now you're feeling like you're free or you don't have anything good to do. So you might end up making the wrong choices or wrong decisions if you are not going to be aware and grounded enough. So make sure you are going to make the right choices and right decisions, especially if you're taking new opportunities or collaborating with the new people where you don't know the history, you don't know about what kind of opportunity or what kind of outcome it's going to give you. So make sure you are doing the right thing, making the right choices, being in the mature and grounded energies, and you are not making any kind of choices and impulse or in any kind of, oh my god, just do it, right? For your finances, we have the Two of Cups. Your finances are going to improve. Your relationship with your money energy is going to get enhanced in a very, very beautiful and positive way, and it is going to show in your bank balance also. So whatever you have invested in, whatever your investment plans are or saving plans are, it's actually going to work out in your favor, and you guys are going to feel a very harmonious kind of connection with your financial energy. Awesome. Guidance here is the Chariot. Keep on doing whatever you're doing because it is working out in your favor. But for those of you, obviously, this is for those who are working on their money energy, having proper investment plans, having proper saving plans, having a good relationship with money. It's not for those who are like doing nothing about their money and they're like, everything is going to fine. No, you guys have to work for it to get these outcomes, the good ones that I'm telling. Negative ones, like, nobody have to do the negative ones, they're already super focused on that. That's why negative things are very easy to attract. The guidance here is the Chariot. So if this is working out for you the way I told you in your financial department, keep on doing whatever you're doing because the stars are aligned with this path of yours, and you're going to get major success in the coming future regarding your finances and financial health. So make sure you are going to have a healthy relationship, you are going to maintain a healthy relationship with your money energy, and whatever you are planning for, whatever you are trying to achieve, you will be able to achieve it. Okay, so consistency, discipline, and good connection, good bond, good relationship with your money energy is going to give you the kind of results that you want from your investments. So this is what I have for you for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you.